This is an M1 iMac that I bought new in 2024. By all means, this is a 4-year-old chip architecture. So let's find out if I shot myself in the foot on computer performance just to save a few bucks. 2024, this M1 sits at the bottom of the lineup with the M2 and the M3 and the M3 Max above it. The price gap between the M1 and the M3 Max is $2,600. That's the gap between the two prices. So if out of pocket you were putting $900 down on the M1 to buy it, you'd be putting down $3,500. So in terms of actual performance and money, how much does the chip size really matter? To find out, I built a test in the Automator program, which is on Mac OS, and the test has local video files, the same files on each machine, so there's no network latency, and we're going to do an encoding via an automation script. It's the same test, the same encoding, the same files on all three. Looking at the results, on the M1 it took 265 seconds for that test to complete, so that's probably the longest. On the M2 it indeed was shorter at 228, not as shorter as I would have thought, and on the M3 was the fastest, 117 seconds. So yeah, higher price for the machine equals faster performance. Kind of what we thought. But again, as bought in 2024, the price gap here is $2,600. If you look at the seconds to complete tasks, you can see the M3 is half amount of seconds that it took the M1 to complete the same task. And if you look at the purchase price though, the M3 is 4 times the purchase price. That's the part I have trouble with. It's twice as fast, but it's 4 times the price, an extra $2,600. Now to put that into perspective, if you were going to buy a Volkswagen Jetta today, and you look at the Jetta base for $21,000, and then you look at the GLI, and let's just say for the point of argument that it's 2 times the performance, would you pay 4 times the price for the GLI? That would be $84,000? No, you wouldn't pay that, and that's a hypothetical number. Nobody would put that much money down. It's still just a Jetta. It still requires tires and brakes and all the maintenance that the other car does. In the M1, it's loaded with tech that the other machines have. It has the wireless keyboard and mouse. It has the fingerprint login and fingerprint for Apple Pay and authentication. It has the power cord with Ethernet built into the brick. It's a 24-inch Retina display. It has 4 ports in the back. It has awesome spatial sound speakers that come off the bottom of it and echo back out off the desk. So this is a formidable machine. It'll get the job done. It'll get the job done really fast, just not quite as fast as the machine that's $2,600 more expensive. But you will have $2,600 back in your pocket and still be able to take advantage of all this technology. If you like this video, consider giving it a thumbs up. Share with your friends or hit the bell button to subscribe and be notified when new ones come out. Thanks for watching.